Welcome to my channel. NETGEAR Nighthawk C7000. Unpack your modem router. Your package contains the following items: Ethernet cable, power adapter. Front panel, status LEDs and buttons are located on the front or the modem router. Position your modem router. Place your modem router near the center of the area where your computers and other devices operate, and within line of sight to your wireless devices. Make sure that the modem router is within reach of an AC power outlet and near Ethernet cables for wired computers. Connect your modem router to a computer. Turn off existing modems and routers, connect a coaxial cable, connect the power adapter provided in the package to the modem router and plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. Activate your internet service. Before you activate your internet service, gather the following information: your cable internet provider account information, modem router model number, which is C7000V2, modem router serial number, modem router MAC address. Set up and activate your modem router with Xfinity. If your current modem is leased from Xfinity, call Xfinity support to remove your leased modem from your Xfinity service. Make sure that your mobile device is using an LTE internet connection. Do not connect to a Wi-Fi network. Set up and activate your modem router with Xfinity. Open the Xfinity app and sign in with your Xfinity ID. On your mobile device, launch a web browser and enter routerlogin.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address field. Follow the prompts to agree to the terms and conditions, change your modem router's admin credentials and set up security questions. Your NETGEAR Nighthawk C7000 setup is completed.